Hey there! Do you feel like your English learning journey is taking too long? Have you ever thought to yourself, why is it taking me so much time to become fluent in English? If you've been asking questions like that, then this video is made just for you. Today I'm going to show you how you can learn English faster, in smart, simple, and effective ways that actually work. No complicated methods, no magic tricks, just real techniques that speed up your learning. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You're watching Ali Training's Official, and we're here to help you level up your English language skills step by step, so don't miss out on our future lessons. Now let's be honest, most people take years to learn English, not because English is hard, but because the method they're using is slow. If you're just reading textbooks, memorizing grammar rules, or translating everything word by word, you're not learning in the fastest way. You're learning the hard way. So how can you speed it up? The first step to learning English faster is immersion. That means surrounding yourself with English as much as possible. You don't have to live in an English-speaking country to do this. Your phone, your social media, your YouTube, your music, switch it all to English. Listen to English podcasts. Watch English shows with subtitles. Read English news. The more you expose your brain to the language, the faster it adapts. But remember, it's not just about passive listening. You need to actively engage with the language. That means, when you listen to something, try to understand it. Pause and repeat the sentences. Speak them out loud. I call this active listening. It's like listening with a purpose. Not just hearing, but learning. Now, let's talk about speaking. Most learners are afraid to speak English because they're worried about making mistakes. But here's the truth. If you wait until your English is perfect, you will never speak. You have to start speaking from day one. Even simple sentences are good. Just start. Talk to yourself in English. Say what you're doing. I'm making tea. I'm going to the market. I like this movie. Speak in front of a mirror. Record yourself. The more you speak, the faster you build fluency. Here's a tip. Don't think in your native language and then try to translate. That's a slow process. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Start with small words and phrases. It takes practice, but once your mind switches to English thinking, your speed and confidence will grow quickly. Let's move on to vocabulary. One reason people get stuck is that they try to learn too many words at once. That slows you down. Instead, focus on high-frequency words, the ones that are used the most in real life. Learn those first. And don't just memorize them. Use them. Make your own sentences. Write them down. Say them aloud. When you learn a new word, ask yourself, can I use this today? Another great method to learn English faster is to study phrases, not just single words. For example, instead of learning the word plan, learn make a plan, or I have a plan. Phrases give you ready-made blocks you can use in conversation. They make you sound more natural and save you time trying to build sentences from scratch. Grammar is important, but don't let it slow you down. Instead of studying rules from a book, try to learn grammar in context. That means through stories, conversations, or dialogues. When you hear a phrase like, I've been working all day, pay attention to how it's used. You'll absorb grammar naturally when you focus on meaning instead of rules. Also, don't forget about reading. Reading is like exercise for your brain. Choose something at your level: short stories, articles, blog posts. Read out loud. This helps with pronunciation, fluency, and grammar all at once. And if you see a new word, try to guess its meaning from the context before you check the dictionary. That helps you become an independent learner, and that's key to fast learning. What about writing? Yes, it helps a lot. Even if you just write a few sentences a day, you're building fluency. Write about your day. Write a story. Write your thoughts in English. Then read it out loud. You're using listening, writing, and speaking. all together. That's the kind of practice that speeds up your progress. Now here's something most people ignore: your attitude and mindset. This matters more than you think. If you believe that English is difficult, if you think you can't learn fast, then that belief will slow you down. But if you tell yourself, I can improve, I'm getting better every day, you'll see how fast you move forward. Stay motivated. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time, but the right attitude speeds it up. Set small, clear goals. Don't say, I want to be fluent someday. Say, I will learn 5 new phrases this week. Or, I will speak English for 5 minutes every day. These small goals create habits, and habits create progress. Find people to practice with. Join an English speaking group, a Telegram channel, or find a partner online. If you don't have anyone, that's okay. Talk to yourself, talk to your mirror, or talk to your phone recorder. The goal is to speak, listen, repeat, and keep going. One of the fastest ways to improve is by repeating what you hear. This technique is called shadowing. Watch a short video in English. Play one sentence, then pause and say it yourself. Copy the pronunciation, the speed, the emotion. Do it again and again. Your fluency will grow very quickly. Use apps and tools. There are so many free resources today. Use English learning apps, language games, flashcards. Mix it up so you don't get bored. But remember, apps support your learning. They don't replace real practice. And here's a little trick I call time blocks. Set a timer for 20 minutes each day. During that time, only focus on English. No distractions. No multitasking. Just English. You'll be surprised how much you can learn in 20 focused minutes. The most important thing is consistency. Learning English fast doesn't mean learning for hours one day and then skipping the rest of the week. It means doing a little every day, even if it's just 10 or 15 minutes. The more regular your practice is, the faster your brain connects everything. Lastly, celebrate your progress. Maybe today you understood a full English video. Maybe you had your first English conversation. Maybe you remembered all your vocabulary from last week. Celebrate those wins. They show you're moving forward, and that keeps you motivated. So to wrap it all up, if you want to learn English faster, surround yourself with English, speak from day one, listen actively, think in English, use phrases, learn in context, set small goals, and most importantly, keep going. It's not about being perfect. It's about being better than yesterday. And with the right strategy, right mindset, and a little daily effort, you can speak English faster than you ever imagined. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please do like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Ali Training's Official for more powerful lessons and techniques to help you grow your English skills and reach your language goals. You've got this. Keep going, keep growing, and always believe in your ability to succeed. See you in the next video.